Hey all, and welcome to another quick help video. So we're on our Hikvision 4-channel NVR. Let's go and show you how to enable daylight savings time. Okay, so it's in the configuration menu at the top. Make sure you've got expert mode enabled, and we're going to click on DST here, and it's a simple one of just clicking on enable, and the times are the last March Sunday at 1 o'clock, and then you've got the last Sunday in October at 2 o'clock. Okay. So it's pretty straightforward. The bias will be 60 minutes. We click on apply. Now it might change your actual time. Okay, so double check your time. Actually, it's got it correct. It is that time. So just double check that. Click on apply, but you might need to change this now by an hour, depending on the time of the year you do this. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. That's how you enable DST on your NVR. Thank you.